Welcome back to our YouTube channel. The first step of starting a successful dropshipping business is, of course, a detailed market research. Product that consumer wants or feel like they need can help to increase the profitability, but it's surely not an easy task to find them. It takes time, effort, and good insight. So if you are struggling with it and not sure where to start, stay with me and you will know all you need after this video. The first step is to find a niche. Now, what exactly is a niche? It is a specific segment of the market that you are interested in, and most importantly, is something people are actively searching for. Your niche can be anything from pet product to tech gadget, as long as there is a demand for it. Remember, demand for some products are seasonal and only last for a specific period of time. Take swimming suit, for example. The demand trend to skyrocketing during the summer months, so you need to be sure when to start selling them and when to stop. Otherwise, you will have to invest in it but fail to turn them into the profit. And there are a lot of tools online which can help you to spot the trend and let you know the perfect time to enter the market. And the most common one is Google Trends. It tells you how frequently specific keywords, subjects, or phrases are searched for on a Google over a specific time period. Also with the data on geographically region, time frame, and the popularity of particular search help you to understand trends and patterns in what people are searching for. We also have products with constant demand throughout the year, and these are called the Evergreen products. Think sport equipment, pens, or earphones. This market can offer a steady stream of customers. However, they can be more challenging to enter due to existing competition. Breaking into this market may require more effort, time, and financial resources, which is not very friendly to a new beginner. So after finding your niche, you should start looking to what to sell, who to sell, and how to sell. Let's talk about who and how part first. When thinking about who is your target market, their age, gender, income level, location, or even their interests and values is the most important part to know where they are looking for. So later on, you will be able to find the winning product to sell. And also think about how you are going to sell your products to them. The message that you want to deliver, the way expressing it can be a huge difference. If you're not sure where to start, it's a great place to start looking at your potential competition store. Take a look at the store, what they are selling, what their price range. This can give you a sense of who is the target market for the similar product and help you position your own offering competitively. Also, keep an eye on their promotion method. Do they use social media, email marketing, content marketing, pay ad, or combination of these? Understanding their market strategy can help you to choose the best channel to reach your target audience. Now it's all about marketing. A successful marketing can help you to stand out from others. So it is better to know how your competitors are promoting themselves. And after finding your niche and target market, you need to find the product that fit their needs, but at the same time also fit your needs, able to make money. And in order to do that, your product should at least have these quantities. So the first one is the profitability. You need to make sure that your product can make enough profit every sales. The profit at a single sales does not have to be high, but with enough sales, these little numbers can add up and become a good looking number. And how do you actually know how much it can make? It's easy. Go to sourcing platform like Alibaba, Yiwugo, or search a wholesale price for your product and compare it with the price that you want to sell. Remember, you should consider the competition with your competitors. So the price you set shouldn't be too far from there. The number that you have times your expecting sales number should cover all your spending and still leave you a good looking net profit. Then of course, you need to check its demands. Go and look at all your competitors' store, Amazon, or maybe AliExpress, and check on all their best sellers. These are some potential products that you can put it on your store. You can also go to dropshipping platforms like Oberlo, and they provide data include their popular products. But if you see all your competitors' store provide the exact same product, it may suggest that it is not your best way to make your first million. Remember, the timing that we mentioned ahead is also important. So pay attention to when to start buying and when to stop. Selling the same product at a different time can end up having a completely different result. Just a little tip, if you are just starting out, you may find it easier to begin with a trending or seasonal product. These are the items that have seen a recent surge in popularities and interest, making them the prime opportunities for capitalizing on current market trend. But always remember, demand for this product can sometimes be fleeting, so it is crucial to continuously monitor the market trend and adjust your strategy accordingly. And if you need some advice on choosing your winning product, at Sino, we also offer the free consultation along with our sourcing service. We can help you to discover and choose the best product that suits your needs. Ensure it helps you to make your first million easier. And here is how we do the market research for your dropshipping business. And in the next video, you should start looking for reliable suppliers, and we are going to talk about it in our next video. Be sure to like this video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated.